It's time for you guys to start making money online with the apps you have on your phone. Trust me, this is what most YouTubers don't tell you and what you need to know. They have been hiding this from you for a while now. So in this video, I will be unleashing the creativity in Canva. Since I started making money with the creativity in Canva, I will be sharing with you this easiest step, how Canva make my job so easy. So one more thing I ask from you guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video so it can reach a wide audience, and comment down below I subscribe. Now basically what you need is a frame. This actually is step number 1. Keep your eyes on my screen. I'm actually going to take a random photo of a client. Now watch how this is going to look at the very end. You make sure you do it the exact same way and you will get the exact same result. Now that brings us to the next step, presentation. And if you're a student, business owner or a freelancer, this is basically for you. So right now this presentation is all about starting a YouTube channel from scratch to finish. And if you want to start a YouTube channel, I will be holding a free course where you can pay a couple of cents. After I'm done with this presentation, I'm going to show you a platform in my next video where you can showcase this and make money online with simple graphic design with the creativity on Canva. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell so whenever I drop one amazing video, you'll be the first to be on speed. So let's speed up. So right now we are going to design a flyer using the template provided. Let's say we are to create a gaming flyer. You pick up a template that best match your curiosity. So you change the whole style of the text and make sure you play with it very well and get the exact same result you wanted. You see, our flyer is on the go. See guys, there's a lot you can do on Canva and start making money on Canva with just your smartphone you are holding right now. I will be holding a free course on how to make money on Canva, so make sure you subscribe and turn off the notification bell and get ready for my Canva masterclass. Stay safe.